Welcome to the APS April Meeting 2022 platform. This brief tutorial will cover navigation basics to help you get around the conference site, but we also highly encourage you to get familiar with the site before sessions begin. Let's start by logging in. APS will send you a link to the conference platform via email. Click that link and then use your APS credentials to log in. Once you log in, we advise that you edit your profile. Click on the logo in the top right-hand corner of your window to go to your account. You can edit your preferred first name, company, and job title. You can also use the left-hand navigation to access your schedule and favorited sessions, view your notifications, and change your settings. If you plan on using the networking features in this platform, make sure you click on Settings to ensure that Participate in Networking is on. You can also change the time zone to your local time on this page. Make sure you click Save to change your settings. Now that we've updated our profile, let's go back to the home page. You can scroll down to navigate the conference, or you can use the drop-down menus at the top of the page. We'll use the drop-downs in this tutorial, but before we go, you'll notice three icons. The first is a site-wide search to help you find sessions, speakers, and exhibitors. The next icon is Messages. If you send a meeting request to an attendee or exhibitor, you'll be updated here when your request is accepted or declined. The final icon is Notifications, where you'll receive important reminders about the conference and your upcoming appointments. APS April 2022 will have over 70 live stream sessions and hundreds of pre-recorded sessions, which can be accessed by clicking Program and then Sessions and Events. We highly recommend using the left-hand navigation to search by session or speaker name, and you can further filter by date, session type, sponsoring unit, and tags. Once you find your session, you can favorite it, expand to view speakers and presentations, export to an external calendar, and add it to your schedule. Let's look at how a live streaming session works first. Click the session title or Watch Now to enter the session. The live stream appears at the top of the screen, and you can use the Slido window on the right to ask questions and chat with fellow attendees. If the session has after-session networking, an access link will appear underneath the stream window. Click the plus symbol to expand, and then click the Request Permissions button to continue. Now let's review pre-recorded sessions and how you can use filters to find them. Click Tags, and then choose Recordings Available for a list of pre-recorded sessions. When you click the session title, you'll see a list of individual presentations. If a presentation has a document icon, that means the speaker has uploaded a video or PDF file. Click Details to access the video, scroll down further to view the abstract, and you can also ask questions with the chat area on the left side of the screen. To access posters, click on Program and then Posters. Again, you can use the left-hand navigation to search for poster by topic or presenter, and also filter your results. When you find what you're looking for, click on the title to view the poster and additional materials that have been uploaded, view the abstract, and ask questions with the chat feature on the left. If you'd like to check out the exhibit hall, click on Exhibitors. Again, you can use the left-hand navigation to search for an exhibitor and filter your search results. Once you enter a booth, you can learn more about the company, download collateral, schedule a meeting, drop a business card, and access their contact information. We have several tools in the platform to help you connect with attendees, all of which can be found under the Interact menu. Click on APS Village to learn more about current APS programs and initiatives. Click on Chat Channels to chat directly with fellow attendees. You can choose an existing channel or create your own by clicking this icon. Click on Network with Attendees to schedule meetings directly with both attendees and exhibitors. Use the left navigation to search for a colleague, and then filter your results by attendee type and who is currently in the platform. When you've found who you're looking for, you can start a live chat if they're online, or schedule a video meeting to connect at a specific time and date. And finally, if you need further assistance, you can click on Info Help Desk for a list of frequently asked questions, the privacy policy and code of conduct, and presenter information. If you need immediate assistance, click Help Desk to connect directly to APS staff via Zoom for live support. Thank you. We hope you enjoy the conference.